How do you change your Gmail name, guys? It's simple. You have two options. You can change your account name, and you can also change the name that appears when you send emails. To change your account name, do the following. Click on your profile picture or the avatar that appears. Click on this option to manage your Google account. Go ahead and click. You'll be redirected. Here, you're going to click on the personal information option. Click it. And here under basic information, you'll see the name that's on your account. To change this name here for your account in general on Gmail, you just click, and when you do, you'll see the name above and the nickname. You simply click on it again, then just erase it and click here to save. Save the name there, okay? That's the first option. The second option is if you want to change the name you use to send emails. For that, you're going to click here on this gear icon, then click here to see all settings. Here, you go to the Accounts and Import section. Click it, and at the very end you'll see the name you're using to send emails. To change this information, you click here on Edit Info and it will open up. In this case, if you're sending with the channel's name, you can click down here and enter another name in this option, then click to save. In this case, you're only saving the name you use to send and receive emails. If you want to change your account name in general, then you have to do it the way I mentioned in the first option, okay? I hope I helped. If I did, don't forget to help me too. Subscribe to the channel.